Hi Year 3, it's Miss Dolman here. Hope you're all okay. Another reading lesson here today, and our reading comprehension lesson is on Pancake Day, which you had during your half-term holiday. And our target is going to be that I can retrieve and record information from non-fiction. Can you remember what non-fiction means? That's right, non-fiction is real. Look carefully at the front cover of the story Hansel and Gretel by Anthony Brown. Describe what you can see. And here's a little hint for you. Look into the bark of the tree. Why do you think the illustrator, the person that's drawn the pictures for this book, has included this in his drawing? Pause the video and write down your thoughts. Can't wait to hear them. Pancake Day. Pancake Day is a Christian festival that has been celebrated for over 1,000 years. It is also known as Shrove Tuesday. Shrove means to be forgiven or shriven for doing wrong. Pancake Day marks the start of Lent. Lent is the time before Easter and it lasts for 40 days. During Lent, Christians abstain, which means they give up treats and rich food. And this helps them prepare for the death and resurrection of Jesus at Easter. So some questions for you about what you've just listened to. For how long has Pancake Day been celebrated? Remember to pause the video as you're answering these questions and write down your answers. What other name is given to Pancake Day? What does the word shrove mean? And why do Christians abstain during Lent? Remember, when you are retrieving, the answer is there in the text. You just need to find the answer. For how long has Pancake Day been celebrated? It's been celebrated for over 1,000 years. Wow, that's a long time. What other name is given to Pancake Day? Shrove Tuesday. What does the word shrove mean? It means to be forgiven or shriven for doing wrong. And why do Christians abstain? Remember, abstain means they give up treats and rich food during Lent to prepare for the death and resurrection of Jesus at Easter time. People celebrate Pancake Day by making pancakes. Christians give up treats for Lent, so Pancake Day is the last chance to have a treat and use up rich food such as fat, butter and eggs. In the United Kingdom, there are lots of traditions linked to Pancake Day. Explain why pancakes are traditionally made. Pause the video, read through the text again, and explain why pancakes are traditionally made. Write down your answer. They are traditionally made because it's the last chance to use up treats and rich food before having to give something up during Lent. Again, you're retrieving, you're finding that information from the text. Scotland. Scottish pancakes are smaller and thicker than traditional pancakes, and they are called drop scones or dropped scones. Have you ever tried one or seen one before? Northern Ireland. Family and friends gather to enjoy the food. In the past, the eldest unmarried daughter would toss the first pancake. If it landed back in the pan, and she would be married that year, but if it didn't or she dropped it, she would stay unmarried. Wales. On the evening before Shrove Tuesday, tin cans were kicked up and down the streets to remember the task of putting away all the pots, pans and utensils used to make the tastier food that was not allowed to be eaten during Lent. Crampogei, also known as frois, are thicker than traditional pancakes. Not all pancakes are the same. Can you describe two differences in pancakes across the United Kingdom? Pause the video, think back to what you've just heard and write your answer down. In Scotland, pancakes are known as drop scones and are thicker. In Wales, pancakes are known as crampogei or frois and are also thicker, but in England they are thinner. England. A famous pancake race takes place in Olney in Buckinghamshire, England. Legend has it that in 1445 a woman heard the church bells ringing as she was making pancakes. And rather than be late, she ran to church still holding the frying pan and pancake. Today you can take part in the race wearing an apron, a hat or scarf, and of course carrying a pan containing a pancake. You must flip your pancakes 3 times during the race. The first person to cross the finish line at the church and receive a kiss from the verger wins the race. A verger is a person who assists in the ordering of religious services in churches. How do you make pancakes? You will need the following ingredients: flour, eggs, milk, water, salt, butter or oil to fry. First, mix all the ingredients together in a bowl to make a batter. Then, put a little butter or oil into a frying pan. Next, pour a little of the batter into the pan and fry it. Finally, choose a delicious topping. What 6 ingredients do you need to make pancakes? Pause the video whilst you retrieve your answer and write it down. What 6 ingredients do you need to make pancakes? You need flour, eggs, milk, water, salt and butter or oil. What is your favourite pancake topping? What do you like to have on it? I like sugar and lemon. Here are some pancake facts. On Pancake Day, an estimated 52 million eggs are eaten. Wow, that's loads. 349 equals the world record for the most pancake flips in 2 minutes. That's 120 seconds. And the largest pancake made was 15 metres across and it weighed 3,000 kilograms. Wow. And that brings us to the end of our reading comprehension lesson, where we've retrieved from a non-fiction text, learning about Pancake Day and Trove Tuesday. Remember to send your work to me through the postbox, WhatsApp or by email, and I'll speak to you very soon. Take care and bye for now.